Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to draw a circular gradient logo in Adobe Illustrator. To begin with, select the ellipse tool, click, make a circle that's 110 by 110. Go back to the select tool, drag the layer down and copy it, and then do this again. So you can select layer objects using the small button on the right hand side. So select the second layer, layer copy 1, and making sure the dimension lock is on, make it 85 wide. And then select the second copy and make that 60 by 60. So deselect that and go to the window, swatches, and then using the folder at the bottom, make a new color group. And then next to that, a new swatch, and type 235 by 68 by 212. You get a nice warm pink color. And then make another swatch. This one, 212 by 27 by 36. You get a red color from that. Then go window, stroke, and click on the gradient tab. Then select the outermost circle. Swap the stroke and fill colors over and double click on fill color. And then click on the gradient slider just to get a basic gradient. Drag the red color into the left-hand slider and the pink over onto the right-hand slider. So now we've got a nice pink to red gradient. Now select the middle circle and then go over to the eyedropper tool and click over on the side. So it's hard to see, but the middle ring has now picked up the gradient of the outer ring. Now select the middle ring, then right click, and in transform, select reflect, and we want it to be vertical. And now lastly, select the innermost ring. Get rid of the stroke appearance, just click and click none. And then select the fill appearance. And just make that white. And there we go, got a beautiful circular gradient logo. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.